Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, India's biggest ever cleanliness drive initiated by the Government of India, kick-started by our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. With a budget of whopping 620 billion rupees, mobilizing every possible resource and involving some of the most powerful and famous personalities. So, we Indians who love passing on the blame to others can't blame the government anymore. And therefore the question, how do we help transform Swachh Bharat campaign into a revolution? How do we make every citizen of this country a part of this revolution? Before we think of a solution, let us delve deeper into the problem. Why is India so dirty? Why do Indians throw trash on the road? How did Indians get this way? Because for years, Indians have never faced any consequences for littering. Our idea, Thoko Tali, the whistleblower. Empower each and every person to blow a whistle against anyone who is contributing to litter in public spaces. May it be the common man on streets or inefficient authorities who are not able to provide or manage the requisite infrastructure. Drive a behavioral change by creating a consequence to every act of littering. A consequence that is effective, is easy to implement, empowers the citizen. Therefore, the clap of shame. A simple way of humiliating the great Indian litter bug. But is this enough? What about the lack of dustbins? What about the overflowing dustbins? In a country of 1.25 billion people, it is practically impossible for the government to track every place with missing or overflowing bins. Hence, our solution, geotagging. We intend to assist the authorities by developing a simple mechanism which helps them keep a tab on these. A mobile-based platform, enabling citizens to hold the government accountable for its actions.